We had a few scattered showers this morning around 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, but the bigger rain is really coming in tonight from about 8 p.m. until about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Interesting look at the temperatures today. The normal high is about 43 degrees. That's where we started the day at 4 o'clock in the morning. And since then, we've been climbing all the way through, which is why some of us got close to 60 degrees today. There's a view over the Charles River right now. There's still ice out there, but it's pretty water-soaked ice at this point, just about ready to give way. 54 degrees yet. The wind, it's been busy out of the south right now at 20 miles an hour. And that little bit of rain we had this morning only amounted to about 2 100s. By the way, the sunset not until 5:39 tonight. Over Worcester right now, well, we've had kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine today. It's 51 degrees, but look at those wind gusts, still up around 30 miles an hour. And again, it was light stuff this morning. 4 100ths of an inch of rain fell there. So we've been a little bit busy in the wind department. You'll see right now we're still seeing some wind gusts up around 30, 35. Now these will settle down a little bit, but once those rain showers start coming in, expect some wind to come with them. Then we'll settle it back a little bit more tomorrow. Then they'll get really gusty as we head towards Friday's forecast. So you get the idea. We've got a lot of ups and downs, especially with the wind department, and those rain showers coming in tonight are really going to kick up that wind. So the cold front is coming through, and you can see out ahead of it, we're seeing this rain, and that's that swath that's going to lift its way right through here. Behind it, there's some hit or miss showers, and that's why it won't be a perfectly clear day tomorrow. There may be some spot showers, but the bulk of the rain really is going to be tonight into early tomorrow morning. It's a powerful system. We still have some winter storm advisories and blizzard warnings out to parts of Iowa, up to Wisconsin, into Michigan, and then on the southern side of it, another day of active severe weather going on. We've got a couple of severe thunderstorm watch boxes and tornado watch boxes going on. So the severe weather pushing its way through the Carolinas and into Virginia. We're not going to see any of that, but we might have a rumble of thunder if it comes through later on tonight. You'll see right now kind of some scattered light rain showing up there around Lowell up to Manchester, but the steadiest rains are out here to the west. And it's really once you cross the border, once you get into these yellows and oranges, that's the downpour stuff. And that's what's going to be coming in here between, say, 7 and 11 o'clock tonight. So look for that heavy rain really from about 8 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock at night till 4 o'clock in the morning. It's a windswept downpour. You don't really notice the winds coming through when that rain really picks up. And there may be some poor drainage flooding. So if you're driving later on tonight, be careful. There may be some ponding on the roads that we're talking about. All right, let me show you what timing on this. Notice right around 9 o'clock, it's kind of pushing its way into Worcester, into Boston shortly thereafter, and then it stays with us until the early morning hours. Once it goes away, the heavy stuff, there is some light stuff that's kind of floating around out there. So that's why I can't rule out a spot shower that could pop up tomorrow. As far as rainfall totals, looks like some places are going to get an inch of rain out of this whole thing. Definitely a lot more than what we saw this morning, and a few places may get a little bit more than an inch of rain out of the whole thing. So for tonight, rain, mild and breezy, 42 to 50. Temperatures are not really going to get that cold tonight. And tomorrow, some morning showers. Spotty shower possible in the afternoon, but there's also a possibility we get some breaks into the afternoon. And once again, temperatures up into the upper 50s, near 60 degrees. Then get ready for some big changes. We'll clear it away with some breezing conditions tomorrow, and then only 44 for a high on Friday, which is actually closer to normal. And sunshine will be with us on Saturday as well. By the way, the windy day is going to be on Friday. And then we'll cool, colder temperatures on Sunday. There is a chance next week that we could actually have a few flurries in the morning.